Sanbonani, 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 welcome to Kota and Chill, a podcast where we explore the intersection of culture, lifestyle, and entertainment. Today we're kicking it back, igniting the spark on Alagwa Joe Buddies at the Proof Zone 4, where the food is always savory and the drinks are always flowing. So if you're from Noguzuzo Chila, this is a great spot to unwind. Oza, come and try out our best menus. I'm your vibrant host. Umadlakazi omuhle ngeso lakhe umdlulo ongadli ijuba ngoba saba ubuhle balo umfiso ongafi afa masekushanda yena ngakheke ubungibona wathi
Money.
yeah njengoba sesilapho ke I have two wonderful people lana babona mara can you say cela wenza ibrighting ibe lighter kuphule lights lapho volume
Cela ukujlo.
yebo
Kuphule
cela
lights.
usintroduce tell us more about yourself ezini mazi and then
What's it? Bafethu hiralang hoitalang what it do what it does shit bafethu sansani Anthony inkosi estrate umgijima indoda egijima estrateni ngene ehlathini ishipu bese likhamisele bathi inkaba ezwe ndijayisa abantu ngoshona amapiano yena lo yisenkosi amapiano
Washado bani.
gijimisa amabhuku esahlathini ukumbuka sekanotshani yeah sekuweke sisomuhle usitshele ngawo
But you didn't say hore wena ngizelini la.
Like-
problem.
okay this
That's my
will be
problem.
my co-host starting from today
Yes, sir.
lalela uzongitshela nichazele ngaye and then ningayimisi episode yakhe
shit,
ephumile unfortunately bengekho lapha
Shit ufuna
Njani?
I was not there.
Njani?
Kahle,
But I'm here today.
Okay, she's
But I'm
here
here
today. Asinayenza drama apha.
Please.
So mani,
Drama.
cela usichazele ukuthi
Don't be
ubani and what.
Sanibona Ndumelanga Bushenki, hello, greetings ginonke eMzansi Africa. Mina ke ngegama nguluthando ingane kaNkosi, but y'all can call me Queen Thando. Mangibona ikasi lakho ngoba ngumntana sekasi. Just say Queen Thando in the building.
Hey.
So we're testosterone.
So ngizwa the way soft ngakhona ukhalima ngakhona uthi kasi and izinto zasekasi azigethwa ayikero.
I guess when I need to be, but I don't remember myself being ghetto. But I still remember being ghetto when someone was busy. No baba sekhaya. So that person bring us the clothes out of me. Bedina lento ukuthi mamela ngikhulele kasi, ngichira sekasi.
Wamenzani?
And kuloso
Ngifuna le ejuice yeke uchaze okunye.
thatha uweave umbeke phansi. Thatha uweave
Wamsusa
umbeke
weave.
phansi. Thatha uweave umbeke phansi.
Wamena ya weave.
Sorry.
Ngizothatha kwa weave.
Ngicela ukuthi inja yami yayigqoka.
Why fuck the car? You can't fuck
So
the
yeah, basically that Queen Thando is. I grew up in the heart of Soweto, residing in the Val, but representing both parties because I had the best experience in both parties. Njengoba bahlele besho ukuthi ingane yasekasi ikhuliswa isizwe. So I was not only raised by my parents or my family, but I was raised by the community on its own, and I
Shout
am
out.
really proud to be a product as a Gasi that is sitting out here to say to your
Gabrielo.
next black child
Estou
that
assim,
it's possible.
ghetto.
If you believe in it, if it's you, if you were born with it, then just make sure that everybody sees it, and then you'll be sitting here in Jongotando.
Yebo, yes.
Shit.
Nje dig deeper and then let it out. Na understand? Ningazilimit. So tell us ukuthi wenzani. What are you on about? Nje brief description ukuthi kahle ubani uQueen Thando wasekasi.
Okay, so firstly, I would like to say welcome to my very first episode as a co-host. Lago Kota Podcast and
Hello,
Chill.
shout
Shout out
out.
Queen
It's a
Thando.
DK.
Shout out
Mofuna
Queen
ukungibona
Thando.
to come say hey Thando is a light DK. Bye Pupuzela. So basically, Thando is a media graduate who studied media at Skolweni, and because of I did certain things as an MC and I did certain shows and things like that. But because of how the industry is, regardless whether you're into acting, whether you're into music, whether you're an influencer, you will always meet people that will suck the blood out of you. People that will promise you in this
Mari.
and all at the end of the day, you end up still the same person back to square one, right? And yeah, I ended up in a certain organization. I think I spoke about it.
Yeah, you did,
Where I
you
was a
did.
guest.
Yeah.
To show
First
for it.
episode,
This
on
is
the
a
first
place of
episode.
opportunity. Right?
On the first episode.
And I find it so
As a
strange.
guest.
Mamela, I
Now
find it
the
so
tables have
strange.
changed.
For this is a platform that gave me opportunity. I've been in a few platforms,
Yeah.
right? And you know, ulapayana, and people still want to see a lot of you and
You,
things like that,
gotta
and nothing
come
comes
back.
out of it.
Yeah.
But for the first time, having to be in a platform, and they're like, "There's something about you." And kanene is something that I did at school, and I was like, "Nazi kanjani?"
What's that?
Lalela. Shout out to Kota and cheer.
Oh, vi.
Lalela nani-commentani ngezinto ezinhle
Yes.
lapho nabi nomona
You know,
usasichazela
yeah. So in that case, it happens that a lot of things in my life happened. Ngazithola in one of the organization. Now I was not only a media student who's done presenting, who's been, you know, on certain programs and things like that, which I don't want to get into. They don't deserve the free airtime.
You sure?
But basically, it was one of those things where uzithola sewusebenza in a corporate world. I'm in ethic. I'm part of research, and I'm conducting research in a biggest, you know, organization, working with the biggest university in South Africa, and that's what Uluthando is basically. So I'm a media graduate who did whatever that has to be done in the part of media, and ended up in a facility. A
There's
healthcare.
different things.
You understand? Sengu healthcare, Sengu facility. Now it has changed from a guesty, 6-7 patient. You
Lalela.
know, and things like that.
Levels.
But nonetheless, as complaining, if you do it, if it's meant for you,
Yeah.
it will come to you.
Can I tell you something? Can I tell you? Oh, sorry to cut you off.
Ukata.
That was rude though. Joking.
I'm sorry about that, but like one thing I've just noticed, I cut you off because being a phonity in Balagene. One thing I've just noticed, I think like that's just how you like that's the person that you are. Shumanji, what I'm trying to say is, I believe at this point, now that I've heard you say that, I believe umuntu njalo. It's like when umuntu ukuthi, okay, firstly, you have aura. You have aura, you have good vibrations, frequency, energy.
I like the way.
Sorry for schuamu. It means that unalemoya omuhle. Wabona ya, but bakhona hore ba o rata.
I see Oramet.
Aramet,
Joking.
you have Aramet. That's a good
Yeah.
one. You have Aramet. So nah, show in money or so to the Aramet.
Oramet.
So you have
Ngalahlika
Aramet. You have
Oramet.
Aramet.
Accent.
Abaye ede ku dictionary.
Aramet.
Yeah.
So anything you pick up, I would see now that you are someone with Aramet. Yabona lapha we as a client. What gonna so we as a patient. What gonna so umuntu osebenzayo yabo.
Kamnandi kanjani?
Yebo.
So nalana ekhaya.
And I came as a guest.
Guess.
Uze as a guest. Ugcina so we are co-host. So I feel like I don't feel. I think.
Upgrade.
I think.
Yeah, get
umuntu
on the
onjalo.
level.
Yeah, like ngasho umuntu onjalo umuntu uthi eBMW bangathi sicela uze uzotest drive imoto and emagcina sebathi wena sozo drive imoto zalana.
Think about the by 15.
Yeah, I feel like I think you are like that.
Yeah.
I believe that umuntu onjalo because I mean like that's just how it is. Masengibuza usho it's like okay, so truth vele wena umuntu ukuthi yabantu mawufika nje you make you.
To be quite honest with you, I've always believed in the aura.
Yeah.
I still
Aromatic.
remember there was have you seen a person taking a KPA grade 10?
Shit.
Gabe, yeah.
Ngikhuluma ngo-standard 8 all back. Ngikhuluma now. Ngikhuluma ngabo standard 8 all back when I say grade 10. I took a gap here
Yeah.
because I still remember mengile ngane presentayo yenze debate, idlale volleyball, idlale netball and things like that. And I was approached by a certain agent who was like, I am doing a theater production and I would like you to audition for it. And I auditioned for that character. Mengidlala umama wama abortion.
What?
I'm not that bad. Angikho mubi. I was that person umama udlala abortion and I was also a lecturer.
Okay.
Then mengu umiste odlala character ye physics.
Oh.
So I was playing two characters. I was a male character and I was a female character.
So shoot into a character like you can
Angeke ngisho kanjalo
channel a character.
they always see
You're
that,
an
but
actress.
when you
You're
go
good
to
with
ShopRite, when you go to Kokaikai in the road,
Yeah,
and people always resembles me with someone.
Wait.
We are gone.
First day. So happy with my busy.
Jehovah. So sorry.
It's okay. Sorry. Sheesh. Yeah, Tina Sla. C'est on.
That's correct.
So, mina
Yeah.
madlakaja sinzambili lo muntu wethu lo uzobuya.
Yeah, usaphumile kancane usabizwe ipresident. Nazi inkinga zasemzansi ziningi.
Your
Zakhala.
episode is doing the most. What are the people saying in South Africa?
What are they saying?
Let's see what the people are saying in South Africa. So yeah, we'll just use this moment to just dwell on that episode because that was crazy. And
Yeah.
I learned after that wasn't the first. I got part 3 or part 2.
No, episode is 2 layer.
Yeah, the second one. Yeah, that's one thing I noticed.
Yeah.
One thing I realized was that it wasn't the first one.
Yeah.
So Lana, there's a comment. So uban uxolile wakamdletshe uthi okay usuke ku Facebook
Okay.
and then he went to YouTube to watch the
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
The whole
attention,
episode.
yeah.
Shout out to you,
Iyabiza,
Xolile.
it was. I'm surprised for the fact
lot of-
ukuthi abantu baya relate to this
Yeah,
story.
and-
Everyone is going through that, almost everyone.
you know, and a lot of people from these comments are from Facebook. Now munye enda bakerne. No
Yeah.
Nozipho Mfazwe 959.
Why is it nosy pomfas?
Ain't you know me? I'm from that other level.
Hi,
That
bo.
other one.
Hi,
Came
bo.
here with a crocodile. From that
Crocodile or not?
Crocodile transport. Yeah,
Ingwenya.
yeah. It's a gray. That's why they call me gray.
Baphelelo pause.
No, I have extra ones.
Okay, I vele ingwenya izande.
Yeah, everyone's with the
wasakuni.
extra ones. So you always do this to me, and I don't like it.
Sorry.
Nah, you hitting me with a quack.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
we
wait.
were still reading the comments.
Yeah, with the comments there. So Unozipho Mfazwe 5910.
Yeah.
I'm from Facebook Reels and went back to the first episode to get the full story.
Yeah.
Shout outs to her. And then Wise Up Daki. I'll say this is a true story, guys, because I myself experienced the same from my parents, sister, and my aunts and her daughters.
Yeah.
Jesus is alive and the creator is the greatest. Amen.
Amen.
to that.
Amen to that. Mhm.
There's one Kananelo Mabelani. I love your energy, sister. You remind me of my vest. So I guess my vest is still vest. I'm jello.
Uma orange loyo.
I'm always looking.
Ngiyadlala befuna ube strong into esho.
This one is very dope. Upaki so putting
Yeah.
1044 ati most families their lawyer limiting most black South Africans, and that is true.
Yeah.
That is true. Like I was actually discussing this with Ipochi Samizol. It's like most of us like Slimanzo abantu abasekhaya.
Yeah.
Like unokumbona umuntu like this person really wants this. It's like bube nomuntu oba like sifuna into eyi-one but lo muntu ifuna more than mina, but they not getting anywhere, yabo.
Yeah.
Ugcina uzibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Kumona osemndenini yabo.
Yeah.
Ngoba khona lo muntu oke waposta into efana ithini athi sengisaba nokuthi uNkulunkulu uthatha izitha zami ngoba ngiyazi kuzohamba umuntu.
Ngihamba umndeni.
Cabanga nje
But
into
hey,
ebuhlungu
mina
kanje.
uNkulunkulu ngicela uthathe izitha zami. If it's my family,
Uyahamba
let them
ubafo, uyahamba
go.
ubafo njalo. Usho?
Let them go. They don't want
Yeah.
good for me. It's impacting. Okay, now umunye athi. Ooh, this one is serious. Ooh, @Mbuzi_Inc. Inc as in INC. I'll
Yeah.
see. That Facebook link was working hard to get me here. Khatwe limang wangaka. Yeah, but okay, I don't understand that. I
Ay
don't
nama
want-
angmutlo. Welcome back.
But let's fix the Facebook
Queen
link. Please come back,
T.
Queen Sando. You see now we are reading the
Yeah,
YouTube,
yeah,
the
yeah.
YouTube comments because we just had to. I mean, we had to.
Yeah.
We had to.
Okay.
We had to.
I'm back.
Are we still rolling there, Abby? Are we on?
So where were we?
Before that, I
Yeah.
just wanted to shout you out. Shout out. That was a dope episode. Shout out. And
Well,
yeah,
thank you.
that was the whole point.
That's what I do.
We were not
best.
trying to cover the space of our queen being gone.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to shout you out for that.
Thank you
Shout
so
out to
much.
you.
Uh-huh.
Shout out to you. Yes.
Yeah.
come
So
back.
you
I hope
were
I
still-
didn't miss out in.
Well, you missed
you missed
out on a lot.
A lot.
Yeah,
I'll
well,
catch up.
You will.
yeah, definitely.
Zoyithola emoyeni.
Yeah. So
Alright.
unfortunately bengekho mawubuzwa imibuzo kwenye episode. Guys, please do make sure ukuthi nayibukela leya. Like ngimbone kancane but I was like what a wow. So definitely nani nizowatha wow kuyi. Always watch a wow. Yeah. So I'm interested ku journey yakho ne. as usho ukuthi personality yakho ile public yabo vocal ulaphayana man umvu energy, you understand. And then before I'm interested go before engithushilo ukuthi from when usesikolweni you were always like that. So abazali bayithase kanjani mhlambe your family, were they supportive enough to ukuthi you know what, go for it?
I think I also said this the last time, that we do not consider our parents. We always want them to accept. And say you want them to accept, even though they can see the symptoms about growing up, but they're thinking, oh, it's something that you're going to outgrow as ukula, and it's something that is stuck with you. It's something that is there all the time. In our way, that is who you are. And we're forgetting that if you're gonna fight and say, but I'm a girl that is trapped in a male's body.
Yeah, that's what I always.
They won't understand.
In the sense, when they're losing a son, they're losing a future husband to somebody's daughter,
and a future daughter or wife to their son.
You get it,
And children. Please.
So in that case, they are losing all of that, and we never considerate of that because we want them to see us for who we are. But basically, my parents, I am so grateful. They came to the part where they get to understand my mom. Actually, my dad has always understood and knew who I was, even though I was raised by my stepdad, who was not considerate of my sexuality. But my dad, because I still remember there was a time when my dad was like to Oputwam, who identifies as a lesbian, my dad was like, you know what, guys, when I pass on...
Wait. So, usisi wakho is actually lesbian.
I like it because that's what I was thinking of.
Like, I want indodakazi siyindodana, indodana siyindodakazi.
You understand?
Like, can I please add on that?
Yeah.
I like that. Thank you for that. Like,
Yeah.
what you did is umbuze ngifuna ukumbuza wona.
Yeah, kumele ube free. You should always ask because we can tease.
We on the same level. So what I have in mind, Wuti, I want to be direct. I want to be like, do you believe? You said your sister identifies as lesbian. So Mina from like a lot of people are gonna see this episode and they're gonna vouch for me. After our last interview, I learned a lot. That was like, yo, you opened me up to a lot of things, being as big, yeah, So, and I think I asked you this question in earlier episode, but I guess now it's gonna be different. So, my Ganji, what you are telling? Okay, no, let me not tell you. I'm asking you.
What's my man? Indirect doesn't work. Say code
I mean, this guy is beating around the bush.
Ah, wow.
I'm not find a way with me.
It's in the dab.
So my question is, Shooty way now.
Yeah, beating around the bush.
Let me ask it the same way as I asked it before.
Yeah.
Now, since you are transgender and your sister identifies as lesbian, do you think there is a link or a connection between the two of you guys as to how you guys turn out? Hence, okay, na indotana yethu bese ukuthi indotana. Say indotakazi. Na indotakazi yethu bese ukuthi indotakazi. Say indotana. Do you think there's a link in terms of like just as a person, naturally?
I would say.
Oh, yena vele uzicabanga ngesizwe wakho. When you're natural,
it's like Mama Pegani, they were like,
yeah, you know.
I see it,
Yeah, that's God.
Nada, ngala. So I knew my big brother in that time, I was around about 10 years. 11.
Before my period.
Yes, puberty stages.
Before my period.
Hayi phela nangalo
Mina menganawo ungathandi. Hawo. Hey unoqhubu.
Yeah.
Marketing. If you didn't see the first one, go to the first one.
Yeah, okay, I'm a period.
It was before it's got some period or after my period. With Nampel, I need to understand to see which age.
Around the time.
Around that
Yeah, my
time,
period.
sure.
So when I go to my father's
Wait,
place.
isikhathi sakho sama period.
Yeah.
So when I will go to my
Ngithi usho saka
udla kahle ngicela ukuthi uzoyibukela uzoyibona.
Hey ngizobukela. Okay, maqala okay.
see.
Yeah, it's
So in
customer
that in that time when I would go to visit my father, so kunalo guy ubhizi stupid uyasifrifa and I'm the child ukuthi mangifikile ngifuna imali ke rata lephepha ke rata tsokoloko ke rata chelete ke rata money ke rata Mandela mo a robetseng
The money is a
teng
paper.
wa understand ke a mo reneketsa.
You sure?
So in that
usho ukuthi
case
uyamgubhulutsa.
yalalele khona Mandela ukuthi Mandela, you know. So
Yeah.
so in that,
Amhakeletsa.
so in that case
Even no speaker.
okay, I lies stupid and what's not, but eventually because I'd never had time, mengifuna lento engiyifunayo, then ngiphume ngihambe, then my dad took time and ukuthi us introduce it to say ukuthi kahle kahle this is a person engamjola naye ngashaya ngakazwana nomamakho, and then this is the person that engizwane naye ngalesikhathi lesiya sengihlukene nomamakho, and then this is a product that was happened, and lona igama like the name that my dad gave it to me was Skhumbuzo, right? And this was the only name menginyanya kanjani ngoba ngathi lo girl wasemadayisini uyazi emadayisini usikhumba oh problem child.
Sorry,
So now it doesn't affect me. Sangihlukumezi yo back then back then mengihlaba
Ngoba ngisikhumba like isikhumba sembuzi.
yo mabasho kanjalo isikhumba sembuzi isikhumba senja. You know, I was a skin to everything they had. Mengi skin to everything that breathe air. And
Oh, stop it, I like it. You're joking. Kubeka Queen P.
No,
Yeah.
nakubeka ngidistake ngiyashekela mina.
Yabona wena siyi-2 uyi-1 ngathi uyakhohlwa. Ngathi uyakhohlwa ukuthi siyi-2 uyi-1.
that affected us so big. So, but besides that, so my dad was introduced, and at that time I didn't understand my sexuality. I was still
You were still
struggling
learning.
because mangi's biggest pilini.
You
My
start.
friends already started growing breasts.
Oh,
Angamabele, why wamamabele angaveli, you know, and.
So you always believed because you were female.
You get what I'm saying? And the same age guys that I'm growing up with who always saw me as a woman. Baqala bavela intshe, brana mingivela intshe.
And you were like, oh,
Ugh.
ew.
You know, so there's a lot of things that were happening at the time, and nobody teaches a boy child on how to shave properly so that you don't have bumps, you have a smooth skin, also can go to sinyise without makeup.
You
and things like that.
understand.
Nobody grooms a boy child.
Sheesh.
Ukuthi unuke inyawo, and also not, we always cater for women, or they need sanitary
But there's women
pads.
that drink nabanyana bangihangmouth.
Yeah, bangamawuthi okay.
And they like it.
Ishop ungamphazamisi
So-
kakhulu Queen P. Yabo yakwada.
I'm sorry.
Makakubamba mina ngithi shaya.
No, I was just saying, Guti,
Amandla
it's not only the boy child. I just wanted to say, Guti, it's not only the boy child.
Yeah.
Because, bakhona abokeli. Abanye bethu abangani bethu. It's not
But
ukuthi
it's-
sababamba.
but it's okay.
Shuthi kahle kahle
Listen.
athi abangani bakhe banuka inyawo bamantombazana. Bafethu unuka inyawo.
Yo.
Ingane.
Kahle kahle mengibona uma umuntu wesifazane sengiyazi.
Isicathulo.
Hlanka.
Walithi ngibambile akuthi umngane wami. Ngibambile.
Makavakasha sicela aze ngama-slippers avulekile amaphaqaphaqi
Gqoka ama-slippers.
amaphaqaphaqi
Akhona ama-slippers anukayo.
amaphaqaphaqi
Uzongase kunobusimbanyana Lion King yana kanje like oh.
So in that case, so introduce us, and then later on, obviously, when you start to meet a boyfriend and you visiting your sister because ukhuliswa omunye mama,
Yeah.
and umthola nomuntu wesimame and uzoku-introduce nokuthi umuntu wami, you know, and you start understanding from the
Something's wrong.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it happened like that. So a lot of people mabahlangana nathi bathi hayi nini babe nibekahlanga. Hayi babe nginento wrong. Hey babe mari kenzakalini.
No, kuhlezi
So it's
kublame
always
ama
that case.
parents. Ukubona
It's that
esikhathini
case ama
esiningi.
chromosomes.
Yeah, Mariva,
Esikhathini esiningi ba-
you know, Tando, you know, like, you didn't go to school. You went to school, dog.
Yeah, ama-chromosome.
Chromosome,
Sizosuke
yeah,
sibuze
that's right.
kuthini ama-chromosome.
Mina, ungangibuza anything, mina bengiphasa, baby.
Yini ama-chromosome? Yeah.
But
Chromosomes.
besides that,
Uh-huh.
but
Don't
besides,
come back and say
but I
it.
know, I think never. I think I said too much about myself.
Yeah.
I think I said too much about myself.
No, yeah,
Right.
right, yeah, don't come
But there's a conversation that we had earlier on,
Yeah.
ne, about the girl, you crush yakhe,
Yeah, no, before
and
that.
that girl.
We are still talking
Ukuka
about...
So I
Malapho,
need you.
ibitho,
I
ibitho.
need you to take us there.
Yabo le ntombi engeke iqome bathi bani leyo
How
leyo.
sure are you?
Yalala mathandozi bethu.
Oh, my crushela, come through.
No,
How
ngaphandle
sure
kwalo
are you?
Crush yakho, come
Before
through.
singena lapho ne, I'm interested to the fact akhumbula sizosikhuluma lapha behind the scenes ukuthi now i-ID yakho uyi-female.
Yeah.
Kwenzeka kanjani lo
They didn't
oh my
get that on the
face
first
like
episode.
uzalwa
Okay. So in that case, when I was born, obviously each and every single woman, they always give the gender of the child.
Yeah.
Which if you are born, it's either you are female or you are born male, right?
since when uyile esikoleni sifuna usitshele ukuthi igender yomntana iphuma kubaba iphuma kumama. Yes, ikhumbule uma ungayazi.
That so in that case, ungashi kakhulu. In that case,
Yeah.
I was identified as a male. So I grew up as a male, but sexually, sesikhuluma ngemizwa.
Yeah.
Asisakhuluma ngento ephambili lokuzalwa ngayo. Sesikhuluma ngemizwa. So my sexuality is female. So kunabantu abasebenza ukuthi ama-drag queens, they're okay with their sexuality and how they were born, but they love putting on their makeup and then they dress up as women and whatnot. And then there's a transgender woman. This is a person that was born female but trapped in the male's body. So when you're taking your hormones, so the hormones are taking out the woman inside of you outside. So that's the reason why you transition to the point where we call you fully transition, fully convincing. So in that case, when we say we're convincing, when everybody
You've been
looks at you,
turned.
looking at your breast,
They
your
see a
curve,
female,
your
yeah.
skin and what's not,
Uphumile.
you're fully female.
Ubukho bakho
Sekumele ngizichaze
Ubukho bakho
kuJabu
buphumile.
noSipho noMandla engihlangana naye in life to say gore I'm
I'm
not
like
the
this.
woman that you're saying.
Yeah.
This is how I was born.
But that's dope though.
But
fucks with
lapho ne, you are a female and you are gorgeous.
True.
I have to say that, guys. Then
Gorgeous,
zoom
sweet.
in.
Guys.
Oh, gorgeous.
Boo, boo, boo,
As
boo,
gorgeous
boo,
as she
boo.
is, now I'm curious to the fact yokuthi you know mawusho ukuthi abanye abantu bakuprovoke and the ghetto person iyaphuma phakathi ne.
Yeah.
I said it happens to a point where manje so yoboshwa. Uzoyiswa kwele bijele ayi female phela and then we trans. Ucabanga usuwenzakalani
Oh
lapho?
yeah.
Mneni sweet 8 ngifuna
Sweet
ngichazele
eight, please, guys.
Mewosha lana uyajelela abantu besilisa or labantu
Where's that
besifazane
thing, guys?
kodwa phela manje singakhohlwa ukuthi
Ayo, bro.
naturally you were
Hey,
born
by the way,
namandla.
we have
We understand.
I'm not gonna say his
Asithi
name,
manje
but
umuntu
it's
wesifazane
whoever said
uyakudelela
it.
lapha ejele usuyamqhinga
Who's telling
ngesandla
you
esisodwa. Like ngifuna ukuchazeleka lapho ukuthi
So-
kwenzakalani.
Ngicala
What I will say to that,
ngiyenze mina.
usaphethe bani? Usaphethe ucele or uphethe bani?
I'm not really sure.
Usaphethe ucele or uphethe bani? If ucele uphethe or whoever they took off
Ungangitshela ukuthi ex
ucele.
yakho ucela.
Panyaza ungenzisa license mahala.
Panyaza uthi panyaza
Ungenzisa license mahala Panyaza. Never. Akusuba blusufi.
Yeah, unuphethe amaphoyisa.
Never. So
Ubaba
in that
uNhlanhla
case,
Mkhwanazi.
in that
Like
case,
Alex.
what happens is there was a period of my life where I was not sentenced, menga bushiwe, but I was detained for over 24 hours.
Hayibo. Uzanazi.
And meguse Jablan Mall.
Yeah.
So Jablan Mall, Jablan Police Station. The way ngabathandi ngakhona guys, the way I don't respect people that are in authority, people that decided to serve,
Masemba.
which is Oseva umphakathi, will protect, will leave sizoyenza ini.
Nimnikeni mopu.
In that case,
yonke into aclean. Nimnikeni
uhlula
iphiniphi.
isuit 8.
Nimnikeni
Akazwani
iphiniphi.
akazwani ne-suit 8.
Yabona-ke,
No, it's okay.
abonika. Ayi, yabona-ke.
So
Who's that?
in
Who's
that
that? Who's that? Who's that?
Yeah.
Nangihlukumeza.
Yelela uphazamisa
Come back.
uQueen.
Come back.
I'm sorry.
It's about me.
Do you think we
It's a
should
new
have
girl
just
in
excluded
town.
him?
I think it was, you know, if a girls only.
Next time,
If a girls only party.
next
But guess what?
time,
If ungalifakanga le rogo uhleli ngale bra nale Pentecostal ngabe ufocusile right now.
Yo.
how do you know that for sure? Much
Umuntu wesilisa useka qhubeka.
So in that case, in that moment, I was detained more than over 24 hours, and because these police guys, they know the authority.
Yeah.
For the fact that I've been serving Greek, mangikhuluma ngeGreek, ngikhuluma ngesibunu. I'm not saying I'm in Italy or something like that.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma ngesibunu. For the fact that was a person that when you have to penetrate, you have to do anal, right? You cannot put with male. Right? These people are saving their sentence. So they can't have a luxury of having sex.
Oh.
Angeke bazawathole ididi nje kanjalo ukuthi bakhona ukuthi bachame because bajwayele indlabo.
Oh.
Bala.
Yeah,
Bala.
bayakhama.
You know? So I cannot be in the same cell with those people. I need to be
No jam.
Okay, yeah.
Baby girl.
This girl is a freak. Akusudlame une freak.
Lutho
Go.
Kanye zona uthi ndawo and I'm like
Uyambamba ubaba. Uyambamba ubaba. Uyambamba ubaba.
khona lo mfana otrendayo bambhacila enza lento ebusweni ukona
Ngi-angry.
hayibo
You guys.
okay
So in that case, we cannot dwell on this situation because abantu bayaqumba yabo.
Yeah.
No.
People are getting it.
It's my pants.
Yo,
My pants are like this.
ibro lakho likanje. Yo, hayi nakho ke.
Nizokwenza
Nakho.
manje.
Nipheleni impilo or something fihla
Bazoyenza
Fihla
le angeke ngithende into manje. Nyawa. Nyawa.
Yini
Ufuna wathi ngibonyele shayini.
Okay, ngicela amanzi.
They rocking me, bro. And I'm coming. Look, watch me.
Ngicela amanzi.
My niggas coming on set. It's gonna be 2 niggas and 2 ladies on
Ngicela
set.
nimnikele amanzi akhalme down.
Now they're gonna say I was Bonnier on the show. I'm fixing myself. I'm not running away. I'm not running away. Because it's not like no. I'm not building tents. I'm not, man.
Akakwazi ngisho ukufisa. Mhlawumbe ingaka yona.
I'm not, guys.
My makeup.
So calm down.
Guys, no, but I'm not. I'm not gonna. It's gonna
So
fuck
calm
my-
down siyabonga.
But guys, I'm not. It's just my
Cela
pants.
ungasaphili.
Panty. Avela.
Cela ungasaphili ile bra yakho yabo.
No, guys, you
Yabona?
can't see me. Guys, I'm not. Fuck y'all.
This is the
Oh, so
episode for
calm
days.
Fuck both
My
of you.
makeup.
Ngicela ngiphenisishe, ngicela
Oh,
ngiphenisishe azo.
water. Inyembezi
This
ze.
is my last day on this Sunday show. Recording.
No,
You don't want me to
don't
change.
be
That's
shy.
been here. They're showing me now.
Don't be shy. It's
Imagine now I'm
normal.
trending on TikTok.
No.
You say I was born
No,
here.
into normal. Yakhumbula kwenye episode ke wamention ukuthi umuntu wesilisa angavuka nje imile.
Yeah, and then it happens, but angeke ivelienzeke. You see, Beng, I wonder if there was the case. Bengizozama ukuthi sizokhuluma ngivale. Uthi ningayiboni. But
Yeah.
bese uthi ngiyekile injalo ingaza like
Oh,
you know,
ingaza.
ingaza injalo like.
And yabona
yabo.
sehleli kahle
Sehleli
ingaza.
kahle,
No
was
guys,
me.
bekanganayo erection nje
didn't
bekuyiphutha
bonyel.
ibhruko
No.
behleli
No
kanje.
bonyel.
In the
Yeah,
famous words of
shoot
LT,
behleli kanje
I
yabo.
spun your lung or so.
Uzumeni like yabo ibhruko nayo.
No bonyel.
It's not like I have that.
Yo, but what's
Yeah.
the beer?
Oh my god. I don't even know where I was.
I need beer.
Yeah.
But nonetheless,
Yeah.
you ask about the detention. I was detained. I was not sentenced.
Yeah.
But SNCT as well. Yo, inyembezi makeup yami bra.
Ngithe
You can't be
ngicela
laughing like
ithishu.
that. That's the umuntu ohlekayo, ohleka kamnandi
We have an
kanjani.
audience, guys.
Uhleka kamnandi.
Sinabantu,
Na
guys.
you audience guys.
Sine audience.
Nibonile
Sika
erection
kamnandi.
nani? Anibonanga ne. Oh, bayibonile
Ain't no
uchaza
erection
chaza
up in this.
Mathandosi.
Ain't no way,
Angiyithandi
no
lento oyenzayo, Mathandosi. So in that sense,
What means I'm Matandos? Again, Matandos, no.
no, I'm not saying Mathandosi. I'm saying your crush on Mathandosi.
So ukhuluma ngamathandozi wa affected.
Ushamina ngenije.
Ngepuntline. kamathandosi ukuthi umathandosi la khona.
Guys, I'm leaving this Sunday show.
Awindawo.
I'm not
Whoa,
going
whoa, 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 whoa.
every week, shit, every Sunday I'm gonna be going through this.
No, relax,
awusitsheli lokho. Awusitsheli
Okay, by
lokho.
the way, Matandos is beautiful. Let's
Yeah,
put it like
she
that.
is.
I'm not crushing on her, but she's pretty.
Yeah.
If
So are we
my
getting to
class come,
Matandosi? No.
then I was gonna
Listen.
shoot my shot,
Are we getting to Matandosi? No.
Yes.
Aringene.
Let's dig deeper.
Let's go.
Angithi akekho interested kakhulu ngawe. Angithi interview
Asingeneni kumathandosi.
It's fine. Ngisazombuza behind the scenes indaba ngeke bezwe the interesting
No,
parts
uzombuza on camera.
about it. No, yazi why sithi crush yakho.
Why?
Last week isikhulume ngayo. The week before last isikhulume ngayo. Today behind the scenes isikhuluma ngayo futhi.
And guess what? She's saying what I follow her all the time.
Yeah.
Ngiyazi into
She even
EP
knew ukuthi
azoyikhipha.
akagqoke impine dress
Ngiyazi ukuthi uzoba busy nobani.
Lalela.
I didn't say that.
And
And Nutation looks good in pink, but asikona siwane sithombe la gqoka no
Wait,
pink.
I didn't say that. Why ungihambela mama? Wait, guys. Disclaimer.
Are you blushing? Take off your glasses.
Hello. He is
For a second.
blushing.
For a second.
I'm blushing.
For a second.
Hey,
Let people
Matando.
connect with your eyes. Let Matandos connect with your eyes.
I'm angry. I'm mad.
Yeah.
And esitolubheka ikamera
Yabona.
ngokuqeda
It's
la.
Matandos abheka
Can't see my
amehlo.
eyes,
Okay.
but you hear my voice.
Ushaye.
Matandos uzwile.
Okay, disclaimer, guys. I'm shy, very shy.
No, akanaskilokho Mathandosi relax.
And I don't.
Akafihlanga
Matandos,
i-era.
I don't.
Isiso akancane ke akubona.
No. No.
Wait.
No, but there's
Understand?
something.
But you must go all the way in.
Oh.
Shout out to Mategi. But let me do it all the way. So
In.
guys, disclaimer. First things first. They're saying all of that because this is my job. My job is to see what's hot out there on the streets.
Hot.
Especially
Hot.
regarding
I'm more like a
Mathandosi.
journalist.
Hot.
I'm more of like a journalist.
Umlilo. Hot.
When the cameras start going on and there's a mic, I need to know what's out there, what's happening. because
Especially on
my
Mathandosi.
job, my job is to do that. So
Do that,
coming
go
to the
Mathandosi.
Mathandosi part. Mathandosi is one of the hardest upcoming
Yeah,
sensations
yeah.
on the internet, on the streets right now. So obviously on my FYP, my algorithm izongibonisa yena kakhulu. And mina
True.
vele ngiyazithandela uMathandosi, she's a vibe.
Yeah,
I fucks with her, you
okay,
know?
siseselapho yes,
But-
sitshele ukuthi yini oyidiscoverile ngaye and then lento sitshele yona behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Khona azobona naye
Okay,
ukuthi updated na or yabo.
I fucks with you, Chandas.
Shout out to Matandos.
Scott Teasers. I don't know how they call you, but yeah, shout out to y'all. I follow you guys. So, what I've discovered about what makes me love Matandos is because I'm a very spiritual person. I believe in God so much, and I believe in ancestors and all that. So, anything you notice, man follower app. I'm sure Matandos also told his cards. Hopefully, it's gonna be on this platform as a columnist.
Mamel.
No,
You know?
please Mathandosi invite kahle kahle.
Yeah,
then.
by the
Yeah.
way. So in
Lots
the
of love, yeah.
discovery ukuthi allegedly Umatandos has a bad record, a history yakhe. She used to be on drugs and all that. So
Mara
now that she's
yabonakala
on drugs and all that.
Matandos,
Ziyabonakala Mathandosi.
I'm telling you, fuck
Mara
you.
sibe neqiniso.
Fuck you.
Mara
I said
yabonakala.
fuck you.
Emakamerini abantu ne-black
No,
label.
no, it's called
Mara
back room.
ngiya-understand.
It's called back room
Oh,
for a reason.
akuzoshaywa mina
Because it's in the
ngiyahamba.
back room.
I'm leaving.
No, I know
Yo.
no fighting.
Yo.
I-black yenzeni angiyazi le ndaba ye-black label.
Can I please wait? It's in
Ungangishayi Matandos.
Mina, what I
Actually,
picked up
who's
is that
black?
Umathandosi bekungumuntu owuthi ekasi, because now we know you're someone who used to be on drugs or whatever that she was doing. Bekungumuntu esimbo now she was trying to change her life because umuntu njengoba umbona uyaphuza, right? So umuntu ophuzayo, so umuntu like umuntu beka umuntu
I-black.
owuthi ekasi, whatever it is, I'm a wine, I'm a black now, whatever. Utshwala,
Phela
siphuza
ngithi ngibona
utshwala.
wona emphasize indaba ka-black mhlawumbe into
Yeah,
ayishaya.
okay, mina ngiphuza black no.
Mara uyangitshisa, sihlobo. Mara uyangitshisa kuMathandosi.
Ningazongibhora.
Yini wrong nge-black ngiphazamise
wrong.
kancane.
There's nothing
Yeah,
wrong.
nothing wrong.
Let me say this. I always say I've got girls that I know of. Mombona is a girl that you see when you see her is a slay queen. Intokazi, she's dope up, long legs and what's not. But when we get to a place, mastele sisodwa endlini, we drink our preferences.
Umini black.
But mabafika
Black
laphaya,
ekhalanyo.
they want to eat dampia black.
Yeah.
And I always describe it black as beautiful ladies.
Yeah,
Black
now for
label,
me to drink black,
beautiful
I actually
ladies.
saw girls in
Yeah,
brown.
yeah, that's a nice
Hot
description though.
girls in brown
No,
drinking
ngaphandle
black.
kwalokho,
Phezulu
ngike ngabona
Yeah,
abantu
go
besilisa. Nayi i-black. Ngike ngabona abantu shout
Yeah,
out.
black ekhalanyo.
Akithi
Ngicela
Bring it, let's-
No, akithi ngike ngezwa bathi i-beer is good for skin.
I-black,
This and that.
I-black, not
I-black.
i-beer, i-black. Be specific. Because we have the
I-beer
likes of
yini kanti?
Pearl Tusi. No, angithi kune-beer, i-Heineken,
Akithi manje sikhuluma nge-black. Manje ithi beer ngichaza ukuthi black ngoba sikhuluma
Akunabhizi la
ngeblack.
ekhaya.
Ane
Yiyo le zisa usebs. Mlethe usebs.
Please come.
Mlethe usebs.
ngicela
Mlethe
ngicela
usebs. Mlethe usebs.
Yeah.
So into engathanda ukukhuluma ngayo ne guys before we do that because we do have a guest today and it's my very first episode and I'm so excited about it that I will be having Undlunkulu.
yimina loyo.
Ngimbiza Undlunkulu because
Mathando's.
uyena ngila ngenxa yakhe
Damn,
and mina
Yebo.
ngiyisandla sakhe sokunxele because yena she's the driver of everything. You know.
And I'm the nigga
So-
from next door. Tell
Bangilungisa
them.
bathi ngashawufo kakhulu because ikhekhe lingaze liphume ispanti.
Oh, ungasenzeli inkinga kunabantu.
So
Ngokutshela ukuthi lele hape kini nane spanchu what.
ispanti.
Spannan ebitsa.
Mphahlakwane.
Yo, imi.
Mphahlakwane.
Mphahlakwane.
Yini umphahlakwane?
Baby, kukupa umfe mphahlakwane.
Oh, black velvet.
Mphahlakwane khukube.
It sounds romantic.
mphahlakwane.
Yes.
Baby, nigga, hopela umfe mphahlakwane.
So
Kusali
I'm
ngesuthu ngiyakupela.
So before we dwell- Uyangim.
Crazy shit.
So I am
Yeah.
so excited because we have a person who is an artist in the
Yeah.
studio and we're speaking
Yeah.
about the music.
Yeah.
This is a person that has been pushing
Yeah.
and pushing
Yeah.
and pushing, whether it's over 5 years, whether it's over 10 years, the industry, all of Njongobinga, whether you're in music, you're acting or behind the scenes,
Yeah.
it's harder to break through.
That's true.
Gonzima.
Touche,
We've
touche.
seen a lot of one hit baby.
Wonders.
Umuntu ozoshaya ingoma sihlanye one way then gone
Yes.
nyamalele.
10 years yonke.
Right? But before we close out kundaba kanto
Ngamathandos
Ngamathandos.
angayivali.
when I want to say to you,
Nangidisturba.
yes,
Makhuluma
I want to say to you,
Baby,
Bito,
my
Ngenxa
cutie.
yesikhathi,
I'm Queen
cha,
Tando,
ayisayinwebe kakhulu
you
indaba
are
kaMathanda.
Tando.
You're such
I
a
look
beast.
at
So,
kuningi. So I look at you and I
Iblack,
want to say
dala
to
kwenza
you,
kanje. Iblack guys.
I love you, Tando.
That's not him. Iblack.
Tando, I'm a fan. I love you. Okay,
Oh,
well,
that was a confession.
Wait, guys, igesi ethi izofika manje. Ngisacela ukusho ukuthi ntanga wena lo othi bakutshontshela ingoma kahle kahle besifuna ukukhuluma ngaleyo nto njami. Ingoma yakho ikanje naleya ikanje ijava ngamabomu into yasenkwarini dog. It's like you telling us ukuthi manje wena thina size sathi cela amafliki lapho nithi chovicho and now you are saying you are bricks. You are not bricks, dog. You are not bricks. You didn't come up with that java ngamabomu thing. So ngicela ungaphaphela ujandazi no Mathandos. Please fuck out of here.
Sabona bhuti unjani? Saphila. Hayi, ulalele lapha yawo yabo ukuthi izakhala lana yilo khona lokho. Sisacela uzintroduce usho ukuthi ubani and what are you on about?
Yeah, my name is Let Walker.
Cela volume.
Please, mtswakonyana.
Siphi live man. Amafan wakho kubukele.
No, he's a
njalo.
trap star. He's trapping, so you
Noma
know.
ngathi dibona
Yeah.
He's on some, you know, there's no way to touch shit.
Yeah.
Sajabulanga ukuthi
Yeah, it's your voice.
Yo, being realizing me.
Yebo. Awu partner income ngathi akathanda ukukhuluma.
Uzokhuluma athi phela angithi bese sesithoka. My nigga put a song.
Oh, ufuna ukukhuluma isilungu?
Yeah, please put a
Cha,
song.
Yeah,
sisathoka lakhaya.
Please put a song.
fine.
Just let our viewers know who you are. You know what you're all about before we get into all the details.
Yabona
and everything
waphendula
like that.
soxabana ngoba mina ngishilo ngathi izichazi. Manje ufuna ukuthi uthi ukuthi aphendule. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. So
Don't
can you
be
tell us
like
more
that.
about
You
yourself, dog?
violent.
Tell us who you
Don't be
are.
violent. Yeah.
Just vibe with it. You know? Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah, it's your boy Let Walker.
Yes, sir.
I'm from Soweto. I do music. Yeah.
Alright.
Shit, did you guys pick
is
that
it
up?
audible? Can you
not
hear?
It didn't pick that up.
No.
No, can you start ukuzwa what? Hey,
Yeah,
wow.
I
Ngiyaqala
like
I'm
ukuzwa
already
voice
like this.
Yeah,
Yeah. So you're picking me up now.
Yeah,
Cool.
we're good like that. I think you're audible enough now. Please
Ah,
try and be a little bit louder, my dog. That was so that we can quell on a high school. You dig what I'm saying? You heard my cool. So even when you say you're quell, you must come with the must keep it close, understand? That's all, bro. So I'm gonna you before say good thing, mina ngithandela mathathu, dog.
I didn't hear ukuthi ubani.
Don't
I did not hear.
Yeah,
I'm
keep
sorry.
cutting me off. Jeez.
So,
Dude,
Yeah.
Tani nginikene tape ngivala umlomo once. Angeke
I thought
ngikhona.
you was done.
Yes, please.
Yeah, it's your boy
Hayi
Let
ngamniki tape
Walker.
bazothi siyamhlukumeza. Oh my god,
What the fuck is
bayiletha.
that?
Sithe sicela tissue nangasiniki sithi sicela tape niyayiletha leyo ni violent ngakhona.
Fuck.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's your boy Let Walker. from Soweto.
Angimuzwa.
Yeah, I do music.
I'm
Yeah.
lying. I don't hear what you're saying.
True.
Nah, I
back to
bet the
us.
mic picking me up. I
Yeah,
see the
man,
waves
you're
there. I see
Nah.
the waves.
Leave the waves. Khuluma nathi.
Damn.
Those were the
Yeah.
waves of my heart,
Leave
bitch.
it the way.
It even beats louder than your voice.
Go! Sukuma la.
I'm not a trap star. I'm
Sukuma. Girl, Sukuma.
No, my heart
Yeah.
wasn't beating.
Yeah,
I don't
so-
have to explain that.
So what's
Yeah.
the bread?
Yeah, I do music. Yeah.
So in the music, who in the music?
We do music. I do music.
One,
Who's doing music?
I'm Sleepwalker.
skatewalker,
Damn, Sleepwalker.
slate,
Sleep.
sleep,
Sleep.
Yeah.
sled walker.
Slap.
That sounds nice.
Slap.
Uyifike kanjani ku-slate walker? Chazela.
I don't recall, but yeah, that's the name.
Ula.
Or he doesn't recall, but that's the name.
But can you give us a brief about? We know who you are. We know what you do.
Yes.
But because of nabantu abangakwazi ukuthi ubani what you do, so we're trying to explain to those people ukuthi who are you, wenzani, usuke kuphi njengomntwana sekasi, where are you at this moment?
Okay, where should we start? Okay, start from the back. So I grew up in the hood. The hood made me what I am, basically. So yeah, I do music for the hood. Yeah, so
Ramos, you can pick up.
I'm sure that she picking me
You can
up.
pick up.
No, the mic is picking him up. We just don't hear him.
So you can't hear me.
But how are we gonna interview umuntu esingamuzwa?
Tina Smoza.
Yo, bengithukile for a second. I thought ngiba deaf.
I'm like,
Yeah.
Turn the phone. On the phone. Support.
Ngathi mic kumele ubeke la. Yeah.
yeah.
Cela uyibeke kahle yabo. You don't have to kuthi ulokhu uyibambile yabo.
So,
Ufuna ube comfortable kuzophuma ivoice.
Guy wasekasi and ingakhangi ngayo ne. Kodwa inenkinga yokuthi yenza abantu ukuthi bayenze ubibi.
Base sekesini yakho bana.
Sibe la. Nayo. Ela. Uzokubambe kuleke.
Alright.
I got you.
Cool. Yeah.
So guy wasekasi. So where does the music start? And what is the biggest track that you feel or you should be known of? Ogwayen.
Can we go one question at a time? Yeah.
So as an artist, you release like a lot of songs.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. And you're cooking at this moment. I don't want to delve into that right now.
Yeah.
But I think that the song Melisikazi.
Sabambelana.
Ngiyabonga kunale ngoma eMelisikazi ngayo, right?
Yeah.
But we're not going to delve into the details. But I feel good you were robbed from it. Angazi
Oh,
sense.
yeah.
So singadabula kuyo and then we go to Uslik right now.
One.
Slate.
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 Yeah,
Walker.
slate. Yeah. So I'm sure you're talking about the track Paris, right?
That's the one.
Yeah. So that track, the Brewer was there in the studio. He was cooking some, and he stole everything, the whole hook, and then he went and did Amapiano. And the crazy part is, it wasn't even Amapiano. We were doing some like Afro pop and get. So he took everything, went and did Amapiano.
Ungakhamisi kakhulu
Right.
uzokubona
Let us not delve into it.
Can I ask a question?
No.
It's not. We're not dwelling. Can I ask
Let
a
us-
question?
Yes, you
that
can
I think
ask
the
the
viewers
question.
would love me to ask.
Yes, please ask the
My
question.
brother, you said the song was not an Amapiano song. So what you're saying is that the song was an Afrobeat song. It wasn't even sang by the guy we hear on the hook. That's what you're saying.
Most deaf.
Like, bro, the nigga who's on the hook was not even there when the song was started and it was recorded as an Afrobeat.
Most deaf.
The
And
fuck?
So they changed the whole thing. into
But change the
rap.
whole thing by trap.
They just changed the genre, guys.
Yeah.
And then-
took the
Fuck yo,
lyrics.
man.
So in
Now,
that
beningabi nama-idea ke nani kusise nihamba nontshontsho niyashintsha.
so in that case, as Mina would also say to you, you were failed, you were robbed, and it's not easier if people don't know who you are as an upcoming artist.
Yeah.
It's not easier. to prove your case, right? But asikho lapho. So no asitshela ukuthi siva.
Well, sila ekuthanini, we want to know more about you. That's why I seek invite you, Lalana. We actually believe, and masters of music, what we can hear, man, good to know, man. There's something here. Can you like tell us
You
about?
a break, you know you're cook. Man, you
I'm
are
not
big.
we are
Oh,
back.
So,
Yeah.
mine is music. Which music are you talking about?
Sisho music wakho yonke into ke wayikhipha wasingile album wa PE. Ungafuni sibe specific. Abona
Wait,
Meaning interested.
Okay.
Remember, it's not about us.
Which one? do you
Remember,
like? Which track do you like?
remember, it's not about us. It was about a person who's sitting at home. You're gonna Paris. Mushu Paris. Ah, whoa.
Me, I love that one.
But for the fact that, remember, it's about
For the fact that you guys
it's a
give me that
person
title.
that knows you and a person that doesn't know who you are.
Guys, excuse I'm ngibona wrong la khaya ne.
But in my
Ladies no.
Usikhalela
Angithi
kakhulu.
ama gentlemen mele kube yiwanakela abantu besifazane esikhathini
So I need to go to the other side. Sibafake phakathi nendawo.
Akazibambeli mic. Why wena wena?
Don't please, I know.
Ngiyajoka.
She's
Befuna
like
ukuthi
that. Mother Teresa.
no ngifuna ukuthi ngi understand yabo you are loving uyanakekelana kodwa nje i wrong yabo manje uyaphazamiseka manje amsemele kulo ngibambela wena
Ah, Mara.
kumeze kathini imbokodo
Yes.
yabo akayibambeli manje ngicela nimsethele up yona ukuthi imestel at least yabo ungabikho umuntu obamba ama mic la singahlukumezekile
Yeah.
focus
Mara.
sizele la khaya yes please cela umlungisele yona yeah uzube tough la
Mara kukhona ama-gentlemen ne?
Yeah.
Because people are worried and they're concerned with maybe Sandra
Very
Samsekatala or
concerned,
something like
nah.
that. And then Sangizwa, that's all.
oh bungayifeel
No, Migi, I was okay.
I mean like all the
Also
time
come,
you're like
no, I didn't feel it. Migi sounded like that.
I'm seven to seven. You can't feel it like
Get
that.
to pose.
Yeah, so
So yeah, King.
Okay, no, I have to make sure that you are okay. I have to make sure everyone rise like hi. Irresponsibility yami yabo.
Ndlunkulu. Bayethu.
Eh.
Ah, ushaka ilembe. Ay.
Aye. Is it more?
Yeah,
Is it
yeah,
more?
tell
Yeah.
umlungisele yona.
So now, him now, right? Uputwa se kali.
Like,
Slap. Bro, slap. You're slap.
Slack,
Is
bam,
it the
gila,
SL
slack,
or the
bam.
SHL?
SHL.
Slap
Slack.
for real.
So
Slap,
bamgila, abamgilayo,
Hey,
but at the end of the
ngoba
day,
kuningi.
we want to find out.
And it's
who's
just what we're about. I think the
Oh, yeah,
guys
big.
about one, but my TP, my socks.
Mara, that's not a battle to fight.
I don't care. I don't care. You can't just take someone else's song.
Mara.
I'm standing for bonke abantu nampela ngiyenza umculo so we're standing on business. Thank you, Mr. Paul.
So
We're
in
standing
other
on
ways,
business.
ukuthi-
Nama
ukuthi
ngifuna ukuthi
zigodi.
sengimele wonke umuntu my sister nguzwa
When you say Jerusalem,
I'm not ngiseGomora.
okay.
I'm standing for everybody. Baningi like baningi abantu abatshontshelwe ingoma but they just couldn't. You know, he's brave enough to have been on so many platforms to talk about that shit. So, I'm standing on that. I'm standing on that business. I'm standing on business. So, you can't just come and, bro, I understand. You can jack my shit. If you're jacking my shit,
Oh, okay.
try and change it, dog. You
Yeah.
cannot just come and take my, you want to
Yeah, that's totally wrong.
And then you
Wait.
You shouldn't
me.
do that.
Wait,
come and play with
wait.
But no, before.
And let's be honest. When it's SABC One will tell you, "Horo, we're looking for new creative, we're looking for new stories and what's not," and they will tell you on the closures below, right? Whatever that we create, right? It's not
Yeah.
of you. It's
Yeah.
not of you,
Yeah, come on.
and they may be similar. So when he comes in with uJerusalem and Chamuzo Okanyayo, and then Besmina uJerusalem and Fage Nkulu and what's not, I change a certain element of things.
At least you changed it.
So whether we registerile Esambro, you registered Esambro, but for the fact that it's
It's
similar.
not the same, but he changed it. I love the fact that
No,
you said changed
they
it.
were not there though.
But you changed
When he came to me, I said mina,
Jerusalem.
ngithanda voice yakho,
Yeah.
ivoice yakho inkulu
Yeah.
and what's not.
Yeah.
This is the song that I have for you. And then mina bese ngiyayichange. Angithi bese ngizoyenza ngendlela yami.
It's
I turn
yours.
it to amapiano, right? And he's also registered the song with
Yeah.
Sambro. And then Sambro listened to it and like, but then it's such a different element of,
Different.
and it's a different sound.
Yeah.
Right?
You know-
And remember, he's got the money.
Yeah.
He's been in the game.
Sure.
They know him. They recognize him.
Yeah.
Ngubani, I mean, I'm that chick in the Ekasi in his room, Ekaya, writing music, and I'm gifted and I'm talented.
Yeah.
Mara ngibulawa isinkwa, ngibulawa amakwinya. But because somebody has believed in him
Yeah.
and gave him an opportunity, who are you to come here and say, "Khori mang mang is stole your song"? This person simaza palingo mazake song.
But you're wrong, Guti, when you have an upper hand good situation and then manje you
Use
take
that.
advantage.
Yeah, use that
And
to
then you
advantage.
use
That's
that
fucked
manje
up.
wena ukuthi unyathelela umntana abantu phansi because naye yena
Akana
anganawo.
next.
But then into mele siyibone ukuthi la if you have an idea of something, angisakhulumeli ku music kuphela ne.
Phew,
You
madlakazi
have
la.
to copyright izinto zakho.
Ushayi.
Make sure ukuthi into yakho ibelonga kuphi because now if ucopyrightile wayenza whatever and then if uyozwisa someone else or your pitcher an idea,
It indeed-
you have to sign an NDA.
You know what I like?
Non-disclosure
You're gonna
agreement.
sign the NDA, but the point is, when you ask people to submit, it may be similar.
Yeah,
It may be what?
similar.
Similar
Okay.
to what you have, but it doesn't mean it's yours.
But
And usainile, we-registerile. You did the same thing. When you stand in front of the court, it's a similar message, but because of his sound, we changed the whole genre to Amapiano,
Yeah.
and I'm a rapper.
Okay, wait.
You get what I'm saying?
Wait.
No,
So
I-
again,
Can I ask
let's
a question?
respect the industry.
Kubera.
The industry will always chow you. It will swallow you.
It will. That's how-
Izokugwinya, regardless of who you are. There are people, the trending channels right now. Ukuthi ubani, unayiphi proposal. Paul doesn't care.
They chow.
Paul unalento ukuthi I pay the producer, I pay the director, I pay the studio, I pay the what's or not. So executive producer Paul ends there.
Yeah. No, yeah,
Hello,
even,
Lala.
no, into abantu kumele bayi-understand ukuthi if you have an idea of something or ingoma yakho, isingenze example mhlambe nge-romance because sonke siyayazi ne. Yeah, a guy meets a girl, bayathandana happily ever after. So leyo into eyenzakalayo. So wena ngeyakho side ungathi uguy u-Sleeping Beauty, ugirl u-Sleeping Beauty for example, kumele avuswe yini i-True Love's Kiss. But then omunye uthi Cinderella, Glass Slipper. We understand ukuthi storyline into eyi-one. But then
It's not the same.
the storyline day one is about romance and a guy meeting a girl and then they live happily ever
Don't
after.
remember the weight of the money.
I understand that.
For it, the
thing
prince
is-
has the money,
Ladies,
Cinderella has
ladies,
nothing.
but
Ladies,
the theme
ladies,
is about
ladies.
love. You understand?
Yeah.
The theme
It's the
is
same
about love.
concept,
Just
but maybe a
straight and
different
forward
approach type
ijiki. But
And-
une idea yakhe ukuthi uthando
Facts
yini.
with that.
Nami ngine idea yami.
And what I like is you coming to what I was saying, right? Ungangicabuzi, man. You're coming to what I'm saying, right? We both passionate about the same thing. We both love music. My theory is love. When I'm because you are not even there. But because of the message the next person has, now so no time in your music.
Okay.
But the whole concept of how you came about it is because of the message and the power that he has.
Wait.
You get what I'm saying?
Okay, I get
Listen
you.
to that.
No, I get you.
Ne? Bamdlile, bamshayile imali zakhe. He's advocated.
Sanda wrong
He
about
is.
bamdlile, but
Ah, no,
qhubeka.
bamdlile.
But they did. Bamdlile without a condom. Bamvithizile.
Okay.
And Mara, because of, you know what I like about stealing? Yabona mawumyebi, utshontsha. You can execute, you can steal the mind. The project that he has,
But not the
but you cannot
execution.
steal the mind.
Yeah, that's
Because
the
yena he knew
execution.
where he was
Yeah.
taking
Uziqeda kanjani,
it.
yeah.
When
That's the
iphelela
execution.
kule utshontshile.
Yeah.
And le kutshontshile
Idea.
izokwenza i-one day hit.
Yeah.
Bangenile bashaya ingoma kayi-one banyamalala. Bangenile
And they
but because
quite-
of the person has a brain.
So are you
So
implying
listen,
ukuthi-
With that.
what I'm implying, right? Bamgilile, right?
Yoh,
But he's still cooking.
Hayi kabi,
He's still
ayahit.
standing.
Angiyithe enhlizweni.
He's still in studio.
Yeah.
Usibuyele nenye.
Yeah,
That's why he's
uzenenye.
here today.
Uzenenye.
And tell us about it.
Yeah, so goes back to the love songs. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
just another love song. Yeah, I made for my girl. So it's coming like late this month or next month,
Oh, so
somewhere
ubhalele
there.
umamas.
Yeah, that's the new
waze
one.
walakhi
New
ugirl
one.
Like
Bona
that.
ubheka phansi ubashaye.
oh uyu mama lo
Yeah.
sawubona
We see you.
I hope
We
ulifakile
see
igama
you.
That you have a
lakhe
supportive girlfriend.
yeah I hope ulifakile igama lakhe ngoba mawulo ukuthi sithandwa sami sokuthi unezithandwa
Awungayifaki,
eziyi-4 sonke
awungayifaki.
siyajabula so-4
That's abantu
siyajabula
But this is
sukhula ngami
but right now I like the fact that we are blushing and she's also blushing about
no
it.
guys
But
love is in
what
the
into ngifuna
air.
Where was my
ukuyazi?
time was to blush for me as well?
What is the
Mathando's is
message?
smiling
Right?
right now.
Because mawuvuka ekuseni, you don't decide to just write, you're inspired by something.
Yeah.
For you to write that song, your time. What is the song about?
I ain't gonna lie to you. It's just the beat that led me to the mood, you see. So yeah, the beat.
But your
the
mood
beat.
comes from what you've been living, your experiences, and what you're getting. It means right up.
Nah,
Why
yeah.
usivalela ngaphandle? Ten. You're okay with 10. Une-right yokuthanda.
Wena samoyizeni.
Yeah, I'm a lover boy, so yeah, most of my tracks they about love, so yeah.
Oh, love a
You're
boy.
There ain't nothing new.
So when you say you're a lover boy, right? And then it happens that Undlunkulu, you know, big thighs, skin galore.
No,
and
i-camera,
also-
awekho
I'm just
ngala,
making.
ningangibambi.
I'm just
Awekho
making
ngala
an
camera.
image.
Yeah.
Njengoba usho ukuthi you're a love person, right? And unomuntu omthandayo. So are you saying ukuthi umuntu ophesha ngespeed? Ku-easy ukuthi ngishaye isitina ngikhiphe uma?
No, that will never happen.
That would
Oh,
never
yeah,
happen.
mama.
That would never happen.
So when you say
Ina-
you're a love,
That
but
would
that's what I
never
want to get,
Khona
right?
ubhekile
Shout out to you,
la
bro.
atshola nayo
Like,
uba like
like abamboni, I guess abamboni.
Yeah.
ne? But what I want to understand from you, so for somebody to get to understand the song, or just to give somebody an ooze, ukuthi ngifuna ukuyimamela. Let me just hear the message this guy's going through. Mina bangilile ngendlela bangile ngayo. And umjolo siyawazi ukuthi into eyi-one, repeatedly you find love, but mabazokugila, bagila ngendlela ehlukene. And you're not saying ukuthi we as girls we're innocent. Khona abo-girl vele esaziyo ukuthi yabona ama-trick you know, ikhohlakalisa intombazane and also not. So it's a vice versa situation. But I want to understand from you, having to take a pen and say, "Hold there's this beat that is going
Alright,
on."
so-
You're asked to come into studio and you're reflecting to what you guys have.
Yeah,
So what took you there? What took you to that place?
probably the.
What's this wenzani? Maybe nesikhathi
Yeah,
ukuthenga
memories,
ikota ngoba
mhlambe, or
babhuki,
special
ngiyathenga
moments.
ikota, ulethe insipho endlini, you know.
So it's probably one of those days where we're going through it, you see. So yeah, I feel like I had to because I did a lot of wrongs. So I
What
had
rounds?
To.
What
That's
rounds?
nice.
Kunama-rounds amaningi.
Yeah, wait.
Kunama-rounds ukuthi mawugijima
Yeah,
around,
yeah.
kune-round of the cycle, kune-round
round?
ye-lingerie when the girl is twerking, kune-round yeah. What rounds?
Talking about wrongs.
Oh, wrongs.
Wrongs.
Oh, sorry.
What season
Oh,
is
what?
it from, guys?
Oh.
So.
Wrong.
You said rounds.
Okay, let's get to the wrongs.
so
It's
wenza
okay.
ama-rounds
Wrongs.
Now if
bengithe mina wrongs mina loko niranda
cheat.
nabo ukungangilaleli nabo
It's a
nathi
wrong-
ungalaleli
wrongs.
yeah wrongs
Wrongs.
tell us about the wrongs
Wrongs.
The wrongs are you or the wrongs are within the relationship?
uye obvious but
Uwe.
akachazi
Molo guy loyana udlalayo. Were you that guy udlalayo?
No.
Yes.
What are
I
your
can
wrongs?
get
Where are we drafting the wrongs?
Yes, I can
As-
tell. You look
from
at
the
my
relationship, from you, from her.
Nah, the wrongs. Nah, can you not talk about my mistakes?
But you're human.
mhloboni ka-mistake
You are human. What
True.
Wonke
maybe
umuntu owayenza
maybe le mistake yokuthi uyile maqodo performa waphuza nabangani wavuka
Just like nami ngike ngayenza iphutha
mawuthi uyabheka
ngapheka
kusugirl.
ipapa ngeparafini yabona
Wow,
bengazi
that's
ukuthi
it.
wasamanzi
What mawuthi ulight istove kwasha.
akushona thina ngenhlanhla eminye ngimangela ukuthi amanzi epapa abila kanje kwenzakalani ngabona anyways ngalirealize after no
Right or
iparafini
wrong.
lasamanzi nayo iphutha lelo sengenzela wena umzekelo bo nawe uqhubeka mhloboni kaphutha omenzile
Well, I was not healed back then because I didn't went through a lot of shit, like my relationships and all that. So I don't think I'm healed now, baby. So
Sheesh.
I don't think I'll ever be healed. But the thing is,
Ouch.
He's honest though.
I love the honesty.
Yeah, he's honest though. I fuck with
nah,
that.
the thing is,
You, Bonugil, what's Vala? What's Vala moving
no.
She was
No,
just
I'm
ready
not.
for it.
nah, I'm talking about
okay mphenye ithuba
Okay.
mphenye ithuba
talking
Hey,
about things
hey.
I went through in the past.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, No, I never hear from them. It's
Hey,
like,
you sengithi ubani leyo mbokodo?
Hey, wait.
nah, it's just that I've been through a lot. Yeah. So,
Can I please ask you a rhetorical question?
Yeah.
I'm asking a rhetorical question because we're not trying to like I'll backtrack a bit. So I'm like, and I'm gonna be direct.
Steve.
If I happen to ask more questions, I'm just gonna put in one statement so that I don't keep on breaking you and asking you about. So so bro, like, what I want to know is when as not as a person but as a musician, like as a creative,
Yeah.
as a producer, vocalist, whatever it is that you do, as a creative,
Yeah.
you haven't done a song, and you guys have a vision with Svenza Range, and then some fuck nigga comes and takes the same song and then just changes the feel of the
Nenhlamba
song.
man. Yo.
But say we are
Ngiyadlala.
unfiltered here, so they said I could
Yeah,
do
I'm
anything.
joking. Ngiyaqhubeka.
So I'll tell
Look
me
at Paul
when
smiling.
I'll tell me mo as idea yakho ithathwa kanje the only the interpolation enziwe lana ukuthi kuthathwe there wasn't even an interpolation. They just took the whole shit and changed the
Yeah, they
feel.
stole that shit. Yeah.
And changed the feel. So maybe probably they changed the vocalist and the beat, but it's okay. So what I want to know is from you having gone through that encounter, like it difference now that you are here and today it is what it is. When I'm always like it difference is set like let's say we share the same story. I have a song, but in this particular instance, the people that took my song is people that actually knew about the song. Like I was working with them,
Yeah.
you know, like Perran, that's singing Ranjan. I'm working with them right now.
Yeah.
They know about the song. I write it, I record it, they know it, and then she gets an opportunity because she has an amazing voice.
Yeah.
She knows the song and she knows the
I
lyrics.
have an amazing voice. Guys.
She takes the song, right?
Angelic.
And then she records it as it is. She doesn't change the feel. She just changes isn't maybe chorus.
Yeah.
You understand? That's a different story. With yours, they took the whole shit and just changed
You
the
can.
feel.
You can.
So for when today, right now,
Yeah.
like now we better over like okay, like for when I bet you, how has it impacted you and how would you say you wish would maybe things would have been done differently? I think there's like two questions: the impact and what's Gube.
Well, when that shit happened, like it got me, it woke me up.
How did they get the song? That's what I'm trying to know.
How? The nigga was in the studio. He came with one of my bros, you see. So we was doing the track.
Yeah.
The next thing, a few months down the line, boom, the track on the radio. Boom, the video. Oh, the track is big. Yo, bro, what happened? Make this our song. Blah, blah, blah.
You didn't know the guy. He came with your bro.
Nah,
He was a
me.
mutual friend.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how they
Some fucked
took
up
the
shit,
song.
bro.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, before. So now that has happened, how has it impacted your perspective on the industry? You know, okay, so in the I'm going to figure out that point there. Like, how has that changed the whole perspective of the industry and where you're trying to be at? Since
Yeah.
you're old, you're still moving. It's not like you're saying,
Yeah.
"Man, Kapile, I'm not doing music anymore."
Yeah, obviously.
How has it changed your perspective?
Well, it got me going harder because me seeing that, it means I can write more hits. I can have more hits. I'm a hit maker.
True.
So it's cool. It's good.
True.
Yeah. So it motivates me.
Okay. No,
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
So,
Thank you. I was hoping you say that.
I like the fact that there's motivating for you to push harder, right?
Sure
But I
can.
still feel Guti, you are robbing us of the main reason why we invited you here, and because of you are cooking in studio. But I still feel that you're robbing us, and I get what you're coming from. It's either it comes from a perspective of like about like before. I don't want to talk about it a lot. I don't want to delve into it
Yeah.
because now I'm giving people exactly what I'm cooking and what it's all about, right?
Yeah.
But right now, I want to find out from you, where do people find you? What are you busy with? What they can look up to you? And then for the event managers that are out there, how do they track you? How do they book you? And what are they booking you for? Because of or are you gonna give us a link or
I
I
you
think we
gonna-
should have invited him go 101. Simuzwe kahle.
I got it.
Yeah, gotta pull up to the.
Yeah,
So
got it.
in that
Please
case,
let him come, yo boss. Please let
in
him
that
come.
case, where do they find you? what are you cooking at this minute? If they want to book you, where do they reach out to you?
Well, they can check me on all social media platforms. I go by Sled Walker.
Slap Walker.
Yeah, please subscribe there on YouTube.
Sled Walker.
Sled Walker. Yeah, so I'm working on 2 tapes. One with my Blue, Miss Bugs, and then mine gonna come late this year, but then I'll drop my single soon. Late this month or early next month.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, amazing.
So for me, it's one of those things. I'm heartbroken, right? So if you are young and you are gifted, and somebody had to steal your work, now it limits you, right? In certain point, because when you are pushing and you're not that thing. I don't want to tell someone because they're gonna jinx it. Angifuna ukuxoxela umakhelwane because of nje ngiyayikhuluma kanti abantu banongibameka inhliziyo and what not. And I feel that's where he's at, to the point that ngizoyikhuluma ukuthi this is what I'm cooking, and I'll find somebody running with the same content. And because of I'm still an underground killer that has a good writing, because I feel good for me.
Yeah.
You're a creative, you're a writer. For somebody to use your work and take credibility for it, it's a lot. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But it robs us from people that are talented, that we have to have a sit down with and have to connect to your fans, because you've got a fan base. You saying you're on YouTube, and there are people that looks up to you. There are young people that like your music, Ekasi, and also not. But it robs us when you have to connect to your people, because now you're thinking of Inyoga, the snake that it doesn't allow you to express yourself freely.
Yeah.
I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm hoping that we'll be the first people once it drops. Can we just come back? Can we listen to it once it drops in the studio, and then we'll have our own opinions. And whoever has their own opinions, they'll send their comments. Or it's a hit, it's a bomber, or a body, or the chart that we have. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Can we just give that to the people that follows you, that loves your music, that own up to your music, and just to listen to your work?
Yeah, most definitely.
My release, you promised that you're gonna come back.
Most definitely. I'm a prince.
Okay, guys.
Wait, before you trailer, sweetie, trailer. Yeah, I know you're head of the house, but before, thing is like, this is my bro. It's my bro, it's my nigga. Where's our camera?
Yeah.
Where's our camera? My nigga. I need you to let loose, dog. What I'm about to do here, dog, ain't no motherfuckers gonna do this, dog. Before see Val. Yeah, that's our camera.
I hope this ain't fucked.
Yeah, it is fucked on my end. That's our camera, dog. Look at that camera. Okay, so from me to y'all motherfuckers, first of all, that song was fire. I fucked with the song, but I didn't know that y'all want some fucked up shit.
Nah, me.
So first and foremost, fuck y'all for stealing that shit. Y'all are not creatives. Cause if y'all were creatives, you're gonna steal that shit and try to change it. Y'all didn't change that shit, you just changed the feel of the song. You just changed the beat of the song. So fuck y'all. Y'all niggas are not creatives. You don't have any bragging rights to call yourselves creatives. Y'all niggas.
Okay, mina ngizwa wena ukhuluma wena mnikazi wengoma nawo. Wena ubhizi fa.
Niggas will say akafuni him fuck up. So I'm not trying to throw him under the bus. So I'll take all the smoke.
I'm saying what he's saying.
Yeah, I'm saying it on his behalf. That's why I want him to look at the camera. You understand? So motherfuckers, from me to y'all, niggas, y'all better step up, because now y'all are one-hit wonders and shit. So come back with some source. If y'all really did that shit and he's lying, prove to us. Give us something hot.
Cool.
Give us something hot right now. Fuck y'all niggas. From me to y'all, fuck y'all niggas. This nigga's still gonna do the most. My nigga, you a hit maker.
I know.
You a hit maker, dog. Keep your head up high. Let's get it. Go to Vice.
Okay, now the priest is done and boning you like hit head, you like fa. I English like I'm very wrong. So but then we got express the way I feel like this has been an amazing episode. Thank you for coming through. Yeah, adding on him. Yeah, for La Baba Chonchi. And now I love your energy. Yeah, it is a pleasure. Sebenza nawe, and I hope more episodes as epic as this one. Becky Libeke, she will always be here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Konala Kwakota and Chill. Danko. So wait, before anything else, I want you to show your social handles, and then Nayu motherfucker lapayana.
Oh, Mamo, I have Yo, I don't even know what to say because there's always like gunabo abaningi bayafafaraza and whatnot. But besides that, remember, whatever that has been said here, we are unfiltered. It is
Yeah.
Kota and chill. Mina ngegama nguLuthando Ngane kaNkosi, but y'all, you can call me Queen Tando.
Uh-huh.
Wherever you see me, Ekaslako, just say Queen Tando. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Yo, is that's my cue? Okay, but to me now, by the way, as you know on this show, if ever kuhatile concert, I meant to do that. That was intentional. Nothing was a mistake. Kuhatile concert because I wanted to kuhat the concert. By the way, I to say when in Tana and then because start to kitchen into the kitchen, but in the sheep, we basically come in, but in Cabazon, the Chinese about to one show no piano and the banging no.
Sleepwalker is the name.
Sleepwalker is the name,
Sleepwalker.
motherfucker. Let's get it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, motherfucker.
Ayi unenhlamba lo muntu lona bafethu.
Yo.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe khona la kokuthi hayi. Ncho. Madla kadla. Ngiyazi ukuthi manje ngibona nithini? Su.